How to log in to First National Bank online banking. First of all, open your preferred browser. Then go to the web address bar and type google.com. In the search bar, type the term First National Bank. Various search results will be displayed. Among them, click on the relevant search results shown here. On the home page, click on the Login option. Choose your preferred service. For now, we are choosing personal banking. After that, select your default destination for banking. Type your username here. Enter your password here. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up to create a new account. If you want to reset an existing password, click here. Finally, click on Login to continue to your account.